Hello everyone. How are you all? Ready to learn something new? Yes, we are going to learn something new now. I will show you a picture and read out a sentence. Okay? This is a flower. Yes, this is a flower. This is Teddy. These are flowers. See, here only one flower, here many flowers. Singular, plural. These, this, those, that. Okay? Now, that is a bus. It is far. Those are buses. They are far. Right? This is a teddy. Those are teddies. The teddy is near here. The teddy is far. It is singular. This is plural. Now, we have certain rules for this and these. Okay, in the previous picture, you saw a teddy where a finger was showing, and I said it is singular, and there two teddies were there. Yes, plural, two teddies. So we say these or those. If it is near these, far those. The teddy was near, so it is these are teddies. Far, those are teddies. Now see this. If this is used for near and singular. What is near and singular? Which is closer to you. Daggara and singular. Only one thing. One pen, one box, one phone. Like that. That is used for far. Duram. Duram. And singular. There also one bus is there. That is a bus. We are talking about only one bus. Okay. These is near and plural. What did I say? If the teddy is near to me and there are 2, 3, 4, 5 teddies, these are teddies. If the teddies are far, I am sitting in the hall and the teddies are in the study room. I will say, those are teddies, go and get them. Right? So, those are far and plural. Plural is more than one. Singular and plural, more than one. So, just see here. This is an apple. The apple is near here. These are apples, plural. Only one apple, here three apples, plural, and they are near. So, these are apples. That is an apple. Right? Yes, that is an apple. It is far. That is why he is showing. See, you are standing in front of your house. Your mother tells, go and see if the vegetable person has come. కూరగాయల వాడు వచ్చాడా? You will say, that is the vegetable man. That is his bandi. You will show your finger and tell, అమ్మా ఆయన అక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. అక్కడ దూరం. ఇక్కడ దగ్గర. Okay, that is an apple. Those are apples. Here three are there and they are far. Children, ikkada, mana daggara is for this and these. Akkada, duram, far, which is not near, it is far. It is that and those. That singular, those plural. This singular, these plural. This is for near. That singular, those plural for far. See here. This book, it is close to his hand. బుక్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ద బుక్ ఈజ్ హియర్. దిస్ బుక్. ద బుక్ అక్కడ ఉంది. బుక్ ఈజ్ దేర్. దాట్ బుక్ ఈజ్ దేర్. దీస్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ హియర్. పుస్తకాలు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, దీస్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ హియర్. దోస్ బుక్స్, పుస్తకాలు అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. కితాబే వహా పే హై. వహా, यहाँ और वहाँ. किताबें यहाँ यहाँ हैं. These books, किताबें वहाँ हैं. those books. किताब यहाँ है, this book. किताब वहाँ है. It is not close, it is far and singular. It is not close, far and plural. It is close, near and singular. It is close. यहाँ. This and these is ikkada and yaha. Ikkada in Telugu, yaha in Hindi. That and those is akkada, दूरम, वहाँ पे, not close, there. Okay, understood? See here, let us see the first sentence. This is a pencil. The pencil is with me. The pencil is with you. The pencil is in your hand, in your box, in your bag. If the bag is with you, अगर bag आपके पास है, bag नीद अगर उनटे, this is a pencil. These are pencils. In the box, color pencils will be there. Normal pencil will be there. Yes, these are pencils. Now see here, this is a duck. Only one duck. So, and it is near. These are ducks. These ducks are near the mother. They are not far. This is a bag. Only one bag. Singular. These are bags. See? Very good. Now let us see that. That is a pencil. I am showing. I asked, come on, go and get a pencil. जाके pencil लेके आओ. किसी ने पूछा घर में. Someone has asked you, what will you say? That is a pencil. Yes? Yes. Those are pencils. See, you will show. It is far. Those are pencils. That is a duck. Where is the duck? Yes, you are in a park and you see a duck. Okay, mother will ask you, what is that? You will say, that is a duck in the park. More than one, plural, and far, those are ducks. That is a bag. You have gone to a shopping mall. You like this bag. Mother will say what? Mother will say or ask, what is that? You will say, that is a bag. Now, not only one bag, right? Many bags. You will say, those are bags. Many purses, many bags. Right? Very good. Chalo, let's see this. Remember, near, singular, this. The girl is very happy with an orange, right? Let us have Rasna. Rasna. Okay, very good. To have Rasna, you need a glass. And for that, you need a fruit called orange, right? Orange Rasna. So, this is an orange. It is near to her. What is that? Far and singular. Remember this. Far and singular. What is the girl showing? Hey, look at that. That is an orange. Very good. Clap for her. Yay. Just see this. Now remember this. Near and plural. These are so nice. She's catching 6 oranges. So happy. These are oranges. So much juice can we make? Yes, we can make lot of juice from this. Remember this. Far and those. Plural. Oranges are in the basket. Now the girl says, those are oranges. Go and get them. Yes, just see this. Remember once again. Near and plural. Near, पास. यहाँ, दग्गरा, plural. एक से ज़्यादा, दो, तीन, चार. More than one children. These are books. How many? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. Far and plural, those. Those are books. There are 5 books here. See? There are 5 books. That is why those are books. Next. Hey, such a nice toy. I also want to play. Who will play with me? Yes, remember this. Near singular this. This is a toy. Far singular that. That is a toy. Oh, remember again? Near plural these. These are toys. So nice. Let us play someday like this, right? For plural those. Those are toys. Dancing toys. Just see this. Who is this? That is Narendra Modi. If you are standing here and telling or talking to him or seeing him, this is Narendra Modi. But where is the finger showing? He is far from you. That is Narendra Modi. ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी के तस्वीरें हैं. These are his photos. Those are his photos. Those are his photos. Now, match the sentence to the picture. Yes, let us see. Now, four pictures. First one, this is a ball. These are balls. Near and singular, near and plural. Near singular, near plural. That is a kite. Far and singular. Far and plural. Those one. There are four here. This is a pen. These are pens. That is a chair. Those are chairs. Let us check. 2, 3, 4. First is this is a pen. Near and singular. Only one pen. Near and plural. These are pens. Far and singular. That is a chair. Far and plural. Those are chairs. Very good. Clap, clap. You have done a good job. Thank you.